Alright, I will be showing how to make custom animations for your weapon and how to change the animations chain. This will be a lengthy video because there's a lot of files you have to be duplicating and referencing and editing. So maybe I'll just make first the animation part and then how the animation chaining works. All right. Let's try, for example, a sword. All right. When you left click, you do these three animations and then they loop again. That's the animation chain. Also, when you click and do an animation, that's the animations of the sword. I will be showing and explaining how both of these things work. And in the next video, I will be showing how to change the attack animation chain and how to make those chain have custom effects, not this white white thing that appears when you swing, like a coloring one or fire or something like that. Alright, first of all, make sure you are in OP, self OP to open the asset editor. Alright, go to the asset editor. Make your own asset. I will test weapon type group. I don't know. Test. Alright, I will be closing everything from the design from test I've been doing. Alright, this. Alright, first of all, we need to make reference to a template, a weapon template, like in the last video. So yeah, this template. No, this is the wrong file. Template. Search for sword. Duplicate. Change for the weapon type. Test. Custom weapon template. Alright. And now we have our weapon. This will behave as a normal sword for now. Same animations and things. So yeah, to change the animations, you have to go here, rendering, and this is the animations they are using. You can select this, and personally, I want to use battle access animations. You select that, and when you use your weapon, you will see it's holding it different, and it's doing different animations. For now, the animations seem a pretty big bug because it's not meant. The model of the world is not meant to be used for battle axe animations, and the animations itself, the chain animation, it's not meant to be used as well. But yeah, you can also change the first person animations and the fifth person animations. Alright, first of all, we're going to be duplicating the animations. Alright, Hytale. Select this in this item animations, accept, whatever. We're using a sword animations. Sword. Duplicate. Uh, Custom weapon animations. Alright, we have it over here. I'm copying the files and the wrong one. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm copying the files where there are not to be copied. Um, sword, sword. Yeah, here, duplicate. Custom animations. Copy the name. Great. Alright, go to your sword. Your custom sword. Go here. Hytale, no? Your weapon. Custom animations. Alright, now you can change here the animations. This is the list of animations. You have to be aware that these names of animations will be the reference whenever you make an action. When you are attacking with a mace, the weapon animation name won't be the same as the sword weapon animation's name because they have different animations. For example, you can check what's the name of the animation you're going to be playing here. Uh, weapon primary, weapon mace primary, and it's here. Weapon mace primary or a sword, weapon sword primary chain, something like that. All right. Source. The name of the animation it's hidden inside this. Whenever you attack, this animation, this condition we play, and the animation inside that will have. All right, you can check the animation in here. Weapon is mace, primary swing left, up. I mean up, and this is the name of the animation we will be playing. You have to make sure not to be mistaking the animations files because there's a lot of animation files for the attack chain, and it's pretty complicated with the amount of files you have to be checking out. So yeah, I'm going to be going to the sword sword animations. From the first animation in the chain, it's you can check it over here. We're gonna sword primary. Yes, this is here. The primary and the primary chain. This is how the weapon works. This is the primary. Uh, this just makes a reference to the animation chain, and the animation chain makes a reference to the animations we'll be playing. The chain works like this: first animation, second animation, third animation, or first attack, second attack, third attack. If you want to make your animation chain longer or even smaller, you can delete this or add this or add more files from this. You can check out how this works in other weapons primary chain. Alright, the first animation we will play is the weapon sword swing left. You can go here, swing left. And this is the animation ID that it's going to be playing when you swing your weapon. So just go to your custom animations, go here, weapon swing left. Weapon swing left. Yeah, here. If this animation name is not inside your custom animation files, you can either change, add animation with this name or change the name of an animation from this. Alright, we're going to be changing this from the two-handed swords, for example, dual-handed long sword. It's over here, attacks, swing left, swing less, and you have to be sure that it's first person or it's third person. Third person doesn't have the FPS at the end of the name. And also you have to be sure to make the moving animation because you have third person moving, and the first person animations. Alright, we're going to select this, swing left, this one, this third person. You can change anything of this. In my custom weapons, I made different animation for the first, that thing, when moving animations. So yeah, you can change that. And this one's pretty important also. How the animations will blend and the speed of animation. If you want to make this animation slower, you change this number. If you want to make the animation blending smoother, you change this number. If you want to keep the previous animation, you check this box. And if you make this a looping animation, you can check this box. Creeping geometry, I'm not sure what this does. I just leave it checked because I think this is when you swing your weapon across a block or something, the animation will stop playing. If this is in check, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's check how this animation will play now. Alright. As you see, this animation is way slower. It's way slower. And that's really it. That's how you make your custom animations for your custom sword. In the next video, I will show you how to make your custom chain animations and how you can add VFX to those animations. Alright.